Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Mm. All right. Market opens here. Good day, good day, good day. Boom. Bullish candle right at 925. That is signifier of a long bias day. Low risk pre-market entry trade will be executed in either direction if I get one. Bouncing off the new day opening gap here. Let's get some vitamin C going. Check, 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 check. Test, 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 check. Yo, yo, yo. Some hydration. Low risk pre-market entry. That candle's kind of big. The candle's kind of big right there. I wouldn't know if I could call it low risk because it's my stop would have had to have been there. Could be break even already. This could be it. I do like a long one. A long trigger here, but maybe a little bit closer to open would be good. Let's see, day in, day out, we showing up. Day in, day out, we showing up. All right, I'm stop break even there if I would have took that signal. Kind of a nice wick. Kind of a nice wick here for a long. Let me just look at something right quick. $188.50 is where we closed. So we're gapping up a little bit. All right, no low risk pre-market entry. No big deal. Gapping up, selling off at the open. Let's turn this off. I'm gonna actually put the open range gap. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see, almost filling the gap here. Right out the gate. Right out the gate. The 50% of the range thus far. %of the range thus far there. Boom. This is the middle of yesterday, right here. Tempting to let's see, no imbalance or just barely. Nope. Okay. Yeah, it was tempting to go short here, but that's a no-go, sir. Now, if anything, I like it long. I like to take a long here for a momentum trade. Pivot machine gun going up, but a long trigger would make my job easy. Somewhere right around this 50 here. All right. Now that is quite a deep retracement. Leaning short again. Long trigger. Doesn't feel that smart to get long. The market has just been so heavy. Where's the value in getting long this close to open? Just too easy for price to dump to this level. And not a risk worth taking. Also, if we are going to bounce, why not put in a little bit more of a downside move here? I can't imagine the buyers are too eager. Where the volume at? Oh yeah. No news today. Let's see here. Tempting to go short here, actually. Double wicks here. Bearish close. A little bit of a bear flag. Super heavy market. Gap to be closed here. Just going to be a little patient. I need a trigger. There's really no entry. When I journal, I want to be able to put something that makes sense in my journal. No trigger, no trade, they say. I take these quadrants off. Boom, boom, boom. Yep. Short here was the play, guys. But all good. So we tagged the gap perfectly. Putting in a long trigger here. Ooh, that was nice. Swept the lows. Clean reversal trigger. Touched the gap perfectly. Not in a super rush to be long just yet. Though it looks like we got a nice one on the 1 minute revert long signal here on the 1 minute left middle chart. Same on the 30-second bottom left chart. Let's see, 50% of this range is there. Just tagged it. Interesting here. Kind of want to get long here. No trigger though. Got a trigger on the 1 minute and the 30-second. Could take it based on the 1 minute. Does this look... Yeah, very... This is 21,149. This gap line here. How strong of a magnet is the question. Middle of yesterday. This is a long trigger here. Nice kind of small risk on that. It's not a bad trade. Okay, we'll see how this reacts here. So I said I kind of wanted to get long here. All right. Nice pop. Want to see it. Nice push up. Good volume. Tempted to chase. It's tempting to chase because you don't want to miss it. Getting FOMO because I wanted to be long here and I already did miss it. It's tempting to chase this. Very nice. This is a really nice move. Let's go to the 1 minute here. Just about to get our initial imbalance. There you have it, folks. I like this candle. The look of this candle, I like that it touched initial imbalance. I like this momentum. I'm going to give it a little extra room actually because I really do like it. And where do I think we can go? Probably to this swing, but I'll try not to get greedy here. We are pulling back to this moving average, so I do have to be careful actually because it could have a sharp reaction from here. I'm actually going to go break even because of the moving average. That's what's going to happen here. So I want to see it push up through this moving. Okay, that's totally fine because I'm willing to get right back in. But I want to see this a reaction off of this. This is the 20 period based on the 5 minute. It's a really strong moving average, and we're getting pretty close to it. So let's just see. Because like I said, I will get back in around here somewhere. See, so I'm glad I got out break even. I don't want to be in the drawdown on this. And you do have to be somewhat careful because we are in a sort of bearish market. Let's see. Midnight open, tapping it one more time. Patience here. Pros trade to close. Got to be patient here. Back into initial imbalance. This is 50% of this swing. Right here. Open and range. The open is here. Below midnight open. See, inside up close. Inside up close candle here. That's a long trigger. I was patiently waiting for it. take it to a new high. Or the highest close. All right, finger off the mouse, trade set, nothing to do. It's gonna bounce or it's not. Okay, it's not. All good. I'm taking the next trigger long too if I get it. 50% level here. No trigger, no trade. Here we go. Got him with the rug pull. Got him with the rug pull. Here we go. We're going all the way down here right now. Yep, below initial imbalance, long trigger at new day opening gap. I'm keen to get short in this area. Actually, this could be a cliffhanger. Cannot chase price here. Have to let it retrace and give you a short signal. I cannot chase this. This is a cliffhanger, and I do expect price to fall down and take this gap. But we could get a range. We could get some chop here. But like I said, need a short trigger in this area or some form of confirmation. All right. Almost. 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 Pretty nice looking candle. I'll take this candle. This is a shooter here. Not a great fill, honestly. Not a great fill. What is my objective? I want to catch this swing down. I like this gap. Give it a little bit of room. There's this little imbalance here. I like that we're going to this gap. Let's see. Let's just see. I'll try to trail. I think price can sell off to this gap, and if it wants to bounce here, it can. I don't like that long trigger. I don't like this long trigger. I like this long, actually. A little bit in Chop City. Right in the middle of this weird range. Big up, big down, big confusion. Whether I like to admit it or not, I'm gonna have to wait. Engulfing short candle. Initial imbalance. I wanted to push out of here. I think that it can. I think that it should.
Order cancelled.
All right. I hit my daily loss limit again. Jeez, dude. That's too low, dude. $100. It's too easy to lose $100. Let's see. I'm gonna have to reset that to 200. Let's go. Gotta give myself a chance to fight, you know what I'm saying? Come on now. Just resetting my daily loss limit. Okay. Boom, boom. I had it set to 200 for a long time, and I just tried to switch it to 100 just to be extra cautious. But it's just too, dude. You got to give yourself a fighting chance up in this thing. So let's see. I might need to close out. Let's close it out. And the 20 converging here. Above initial imbalance. What is the market objective here? Gonna have to see continuation candle, more of a doji, kind of bullish here. Momentum is up. I know we're right at this moving average. I like these relative equal highs. It's a dogfight, dude. I accept this risk. All right. So see, I'm tempted to add, fight my way out of this drawdown. This is a very dangerous spot. So the best way to handle this situation is to just be very careful. I'm not going to touch these orders anymore. I'm not adding. My human nature is to like get aggressive and fight and get out of the drawdown and blah 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 blah. I think we are I think we're due for a little bit of a relief rally. But wow, is this a hard game? Um, Missed getting long earlier where I wanted to get long here. Missed this move. Faked out here. And then resetting my account and all that, I kind of missed this push back up. We'll just have to see if the trading gods are going to allow me to get on side here. If we are going to get a run, I think this could push up really quick, squeeze the shorts. There's really no way to know for sure. Would be nice to catch a large move and sort of trail up. I like this for a target. Should be some good liquidity up here. Okay. Don't necessarily want this to turn into a loss now. I'm going to go break even. And I'm going to be willing to get back in if I get stopped out.
Order cancelled. Stock filled.
Let's see. Okay, why is my chart frozen? Come on, TradingView. Oh my gosh, let me pull up. Let's look at this. Tried to go short, tried to go short, tried to go long. Tried to go long. Tagged out. Okay. Very. A level of frustration at this point is really high. Let me turn these trades on here. Let's see. I took this candle short. This is a nice trend candle. Actually, now that you look at this, this is a really nice channel. Does indicate possible sustained bullish activity. Gonna need a long trigger. Oh, look at that. Inside up. Very interesting. This is where I said I might get short here, actually. Very interesting.
Order filled.
50% respected perfectly. Cliffhanger. Big volume down off of a level I said I wanted to get short. Is this enough risk? I'm not sure. The market's really volatile today. I'm having a hard time getting on side. We're selling off down to the moving averages, so they need to fail in a big way here. We'll just have to see. Very interesting. How low can we go? I'm going to try to trail and see if I can catch a bigger move, if I can stay in. Come on. Let's go. Down you go. Where you at, sellers? There we go. Interesting. I'm going to flip. This should have sold off. Man, you know what? Sometimes you just got to admit when you're whooped. Why would I flip? This market is really not my wheelhouse somehow. Maybe I do better in bullish markets. This bear market has given me a run for my money in terms of knowing what I should be looking out for, kind of catching the playbook. Really could use some profits in the bank. Like straight losing. So very hard to stay in when you're going break even, but it feels natural to try to protect from the uncertainty. Do you think, what are the chances it could really rip up here? Wednesday, could it be the reversal of the bear market or the week? Definitely holding above open, holding above initial imbalance. Yeah, that's dirty. Right back to the top too. That's dirty. Big wick on the bottom, big volume. Getting right back in. Good thing I was break even. Break even again. That's all good. I'm cool with that. I don't trust this market. Inside up close, that was a long trigger. Long wick, big volume. Could have, the momentum is in the favor here to go long. Trading this breakout. At some point it's going to go. Bad fill. Okay. Taking a break. This is terrible. Let's see here. Yo. So, my intuition is telling me I'm just too low in the time frames. You know what I'm saying? Like, just look at this 5-minute chart. These wicks, up, down. Gotta think it's gonna push up here. Like, I'm not necessarily wrong. It's just my style. I'm not taking profits aggressively enough with how low of a time frame I'm trading. It's putting me at a severe disadvantage right now. Um, I mean, this is some dirty price action too, though. What do you do with this? 10 o'clock. There wasn't news at 10. Um, I still think we're due for a relief rally. Could be an inside day. I like us getting a 407, but I still need a solid entry. Getting a short signal here, possibly on the 5-minute. Yeah. Would be just like this market lately to roll over here. Bears, I mean, the bulls can just not, they just can't catch a break. Inside up close, right off the moving average. You would think that this would be a great long. Big volume, down bar. You look at the 30-minute, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, 15-minute. Yeah. That's what I said. It would be like this market to roll over here. If you don't get a serious bounce right here,
Order filled.
I like this liquidity to be taken up there. Bullish signal. All these moving averages are clumped right here. Liquidity taken. Again, going long has just not worked. But this, at some point, will be an amazing trade. The market is going to switch from whatever it's doing right now to letting this pay traders. So I need to more aggressively start taking some profits here. Got to trail it up, trail it up, trail it up. Trail it up. Just trailing my stop. I want to see it go. I want to see it rip. Rip, baby.
Order cancelled.
Okay. I mean, look at this reversal. See, we're dead inside the range, yesterday's range, which does, and this is literally, this blue line is the middle of yesterday. So it is kind of somewhat predictable that this is what's going on. We have an expansion model. Frustrate him a little bit more. One more time here. Short signal.
Order filled.
Super tight risk, short signal right here. Obviously, I like it. I like the market to push up to this level, but given the way it's been behaving lately, this was small enough risk worth the shot for it to just spike down. Yeah, sorry. Let me see. My dog is freaking out over this ringing bell. Let's see. Oh, we need something kind of chill, right? Chime. That sounds pretty chill. Order rejected, working order. Filled, stop filled. Filled order. That'll work. Should work. Yeah, look at this. See this pullback? This is what I was just a little bit early. But there's really no reason for this pullback. Like, dude, pullback, let's go. Very frustrating, super hard market. You just got to be willing to cope. You got to be able. Short signal developing on the 5. Clean short signal on the 30. Still like these objectives up there. This was promising. This impulse leg up. Hilarious. If this fails, that's hilarious. Like, seriously. Question is this a short? Pin bar? I don't trust it yet. Wanted that bar to flip green first. Super tight risk. I'm not trying to. Okay. At least I fixed my sound. Is that better, babe? Okay. It's above my entry bar. I want to see a night short candle here. Oh my God, look at that. That's a short signal. And that's where the stop goes, above the short signal. This is a short trigger right here. Swept liquidity in a bear trend. Okay, I don't mind trying to get short here. I don't know how many times it makes sense to try though. You need to get better at learning at when it makes sense to try to trade and when it doesn't. Why didn't I take this long? Is the question. Short trigger. That's a short trigger right there, guys and gals. Okay. Break even. Hmm. Could this be inside up close or inside down close? Short trigger here too. Yeah, I like it. I like us to get bullish here. This is what I wanted to see yesterday. All right, I think we're really getting ready to have a bullish trend day. And I want to definitely catch the next long trigger that I get. I think the shorts are about to start just getting steamrolled right here. How much risk do I have it in me to take though? To bet on that. This channel's getting really tight. Shorts will get fleeced immediately. I should just start buying every down close candle. Chasing price here. Short's going to start covering, and this is just going to go. You need to start trading with some popcorn, bro, or something. Um, I mean, this is just comical. Not necessarily wrong, but like, genuinely, what am I trying to do here? Catch these little bitty moves and pick these exact little turnarounds. This is just disgustingly noisy. See, this is where it's really like I'm really at risk of doing some major damage to my account. I'm going to go to psych level target here. Tempting to buy more. It's so tempting, dude. Heavenly Father, I accept your will. Heavenly Father, I accept your will. This is actually a healthy bull flag. I love you, sweetie. Inside up close. Inside up close. Adding to my position here. No way, dude. I'm not getting stopped out. Oh my God. Mm. Hmm. That's going to be it for today, guys.